As of today, the new Colourpop Nightmare Before Christmas collection is available for you guys to purchase it. I will have it linked down below in the description box for you guys with a discount code so you guys can get $5 off of the collection. So I have the entire collection. They sent it over for me to review and share it with you guys. I'm going to share swatches, I'm going to share the entire collection, and I'm also going to take you on a step-by-step tutorial on this Halloween look here. It is clown inspired. I don't know. Space buns, the earrings, the glitter, some type of clown, okay? If you guys are into this look or just want to see some swatches and the collection, then go ahead and keep on watching.
I'm back. Boom.
You are all looking at the entire collection here. Let's get started with some swatches. This is the Tim Burton's Nightmare Before Christmas eyeshadow palette, and all the swatches, they are all very vibrant shades. I have absolutely no complaints about the shimmers. They're super buttery, as always with Colourpop. From first impressions, the matte shades do get a lot of kickback inside of the pans, and once you start using them, you're going to see how dirty your mirror becomes. I also did experience quite a bit of fallout with these shades, so if you are using this palette, make sure that you are doing your eyes before your foundation. Nevertheless, these eyeshadows are very vibrant and they're very easy to blend. Moving on to the next product in the collection are these felt tip eyeliners. These are liquid eyeliners in the color white and black. The black one really does dry down into a matte black, and I really love how dark and intense it is. I don't really use white eyeliners, but if you're into that, it's very white and it dries matte as well. Most of Colourpop's collection always come with a glitterly obsessed glitter gel, and this one here is in the color Master of Fright. This is going all over my body in today's tutorial. In my opinion, if there is something that you need from this collection, is this trio of terror. I don't know if Colourpop has anything like this on their website or if this is just an all-around new product to them. These are jelly eyeshadows and they are so beautiful. Here are some swatches of them. You better bet that I'm going to be using one of these in today's tutorial. There are 3 lipsticks inside of this collection and they come in the cutest packaging ever. They're little ornaments that you can hang up on your tree. And these are the 3 shades that are in the collection. Let me know which one you guys like the most. I know that there's a lot of people that like getting a little extra with their makeup. Colourpop has individual crystal sheets that you guys are seeing right here that are in this collection. You can put them on your crease and do like a little crystal crease. There's a lot of different ways you can use it. I'll show you how I'm going to use it for today's clown look. And then last, we have this makeup sponge. It's a detail blending sponge. It's pointy at the very tip so that you can get the inner corner of your eye when you're blending out your concealer, and it's just perfect for detail blending. Now that I have some experience using the sponge, I highly recommend that you wet the sponge, and it is so soft and bouncy once you wet it. But anyway, you guys, this is the entire collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this overall review of the collection. Now let's go ahead and jump into a tutorial using all of these products. Well, most of them. Have you subscribed to my channel yet, though? You should. I'm starting off by prepping the eyelids for some eyeshadow application. I'm taking some concealer all over my lid and then taking the sponge from the collection to blend it all out. The first eyeshadow that I'm using from the palette is called Meant to Be, and this color is a very pale gray. This color can definitely be used for an everyday look when using this palette. I think this is one of 3 subtle shades from the palette. The rest are very vibrant and very dark. I really love how soft this color is. It's also very easy to blend out. This next color is called Dear Friend. As I'm using this eyeshadow color, I think it's also kind of a very soft color that you can definitely build up. And I'm using this at the outer corner of both sides of my eyes. So the inner and outer corner. What did I just say? I don't know, girl. Sometimes these voiceovers can be very complicated to do, so just bear with me. By the way, if you guys are curious about my pink eyebrows, you guys can find the tutorial over on my TikTok, which I always have all of my social media handles linked down below in the description box. But anyway, I really want to get into this jelly eyeshadow. This one is the color Shock. I think that's what it's called. It's a pink one. It is so beautiful. And to be honest, I used it before using an eyeshadow on my eye, which I kind of feel like I should have used an eyeshadow first and then topped it off with this color. But you guys should learn from my mistakes. So as you guys can see, I'm just going in with my ring finger and just applying it like in a little dabbing motion to the center of my eye. We are doing a halo eye for this look. And as I was applying it, I kind of felt like I could get more intensity out of this jelly eyeshadow. So I went in with a brush and you guys can obviously see the difference there. I've never tried a product like this before, so it's very new to me and I'm just learning with you guys. Maybe you guys already knew that, but I'm just learning that. Now we're taking this black eyeshadow. This definitely does have some shimmer in it, so just be very soft when you're dipping your brush in there because it does get quite a bit of fallout, especially because it has glitter as well. This color here is called Halloween Town. And with this color, I am also repeating the same thing as I did with the other eyeshadow. I'm putting it to the inner and outer corner of my eye. I also wanted to create a beautiful gradient effect from pink into the dark shade. And when you go from pink to black, there's really no gradient effect there. So I wanted to put a darker shade in there. So I went in with this color here called Dr. Finkelstein. And I applied it to just like right between the pink and the black so that it just blends out really pretty. I'm taking some black eyeliner at my waterline and then we're going to go back into the color Halloween Town. That is the black shimmer shade from the palette, and I'm just diffusing the bottom of the eye, just giving it a really soft look down there because we don't just apply eyeliner. You got to soften up that line, you know? I tried to go in very light-handed with this eyeshadow palette because my girl Gigi, which she already posted her review of the palette, I'll have her video linked down below in the description box so you guys can go check her out and see the look that she did using this palette. But anyway, she was telling me that she was experiencing a lot of fallout, so I was just going very soft with my brush so that I don't experience quite a bit of fallout, but I did, and that's okay because I only had the foundation on and I didn't apply concealer just yet. But you guys are seeing that I'm just cleaning everything up with concealer right about now after I dusted the eyeshadow with a powder brush. And I can't express to you how soft and bouncy this makeup sponge is. I really love it. But when it is dry, it can be too firm on the skin. So just make sure that you do wet your sponge. And please let me know what you guys think about these pink eyebrows down below in the comments. I've been doing colorful eyebrows lately. I think in one or two of my previous videos I had green eyebrows. I also had blue eyebrows in the other one. So one of you guys suggested I try pink, and I really love this, to be honest. Like I was previously mentioning as well, this sponge can really get into any area that you want, especially at the inner corner, and it's perfect for cleaning up your contour. You can definitely use this with powder. But anyway, let's get on with using the products from the collection. So I'm going into my black liquid liner and I am going to start drawing on my face. Okay, we're doing a clown inspired look, so I'm drawing the little, I guess just watch the tutorial because it's just self-explanatory. I don't know what I'm doing half the time. I'm just kind of like, I'm doing a clown and I'm just painting shit on my face. Excuse my language. I really want to work on my cursing, okay? It has been a problem of mine for so long. And when I was in church the other day, it's funny that they brought up cursing because I was like, why is it that when I'm at church, I know like it's kind of, I don't know, it's just disrespectful. Like you don't curse at church, right? And it's like, why can't I know not to curse in life? So I just started thinking, I'm like, I don't want my kids to start cursing. Like I don't allow them to curse and they know not to curse. And I'm like, what if they cursed at church? Like I need to stop cursing. That's all I'm saying. I'm also drawing this little black little nose on here. And I'm telling you, I really love how matte this eyeliner dries down. Especially for a Halloween look like this, because I was about to use paint, but I'm like, let me just utilize as many products as possible. And let's be honest, how many of you guys actually purchase paints that you're only using for one time in the year, you know? So I'm showing you how you can use your makeup to do a Halloween look. I guess we're gonna use the white liquid liner from this collection as well, and I'm just adding little details just to show you that I'm using it. I'm also taking my eyeliner, my black eyeliner. It's not a part of the collection, but it's not part of the collection. I'm using my Urban Decay. I'm using my Urban Decay black eyeliner to just outline my lips and kind of elongate my lips. And since we already have pink going on in our makeup, I'm going to use the pink lipstick. This one is in the color Sally. It is a very bright pink. This almost reminds me of Candy Yum Yum or Yum Yum from MAC. Do you guys remember that color? That one was like my absolute favorite when I was in high school. And let me just say, that was many, many years ago. So I'm over here taking a look at it. I'm like, I kind of want to add a little bit more of something to my lips. So I'm like, let me just take some of this jelly shadow and add it to the lips. And as you guys can see, it just makes it look so much better. Of course, I'm putting some of my eyelashes. These here are in the style Única. If you guys have not shopped from my website, I really appreciate your support, okay? So make your way over there. I have a discount code for you guys to shop my eyelashes. I also have eyelash glue, so go get yours, girl. And now let's add some gems, because why not? But first, you're gonna need some glue, so go buy yours from my website. I decided I was gonna add them to the corners of the little triangles, little clown things that I have on my face. Now let's take the Glitterly Obsessed glitter and we're just applying it all over the body, because why not? Well, actually, let me tell you why I decided to do this. I was going to paint the clown neck. I'll put a picture here so you guys can see what I was going to do. But it was 2 o'clock in the morning. I was like, let me just put glitter. Okay, my love, so that completes today's makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, this collection is going to be linked down below in the description box for you guys. There is a discount code in the description box as well. It is not an affiliate code, so I do not earn commission based off of you using the code. But if you do want to support my channel, you can shop through the link that I have listed down below. Through that link, I do earn commission, so I really appreciate your support. Thank you again for being here, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Have you shopped with me yet? Go ahead and take a look. I have so many eyelashes, different styles to complement any occasion. I also sell eyelash glue. I have press-on nail sets that I hand paint with love myself. I sell press-on nail kits, which you can do your own DIY nails, or maybe you want to sell your own press-on nails. I have so much to offer on my website, so go ahead and visit www.soñadoraofficial.com.